After completing this course week, you will be able to create the setup and generate the toolpaths that will define how the material will be cut in the CAM workspace. Describe the process for posting the code to the CNC machinery. Save a design to STL output for 3D printing. This week we'll focus on getting the design into the real world. When the design has been modeled, analyzed, animated, and detailed, it's time to bring it to life. CAM is the process of converting a digital design to the code that will guide the CNC machine to cut it from stock. This requires establishing how the stock will be positioned in the machine, selecting the tools for cutting, and verifying that the correct speed and feed information is programmed for the tool and the material. Then the program is simulated and posted for the CNC machine to begin its work. Additive manufacturing is changing how many approach design. Fusion 360 makes it easy to generate the output data for 3D printing directly from the 3D model.